Folks, Mish here from Steele Hyundai. Today we're going to be looking at the difference quickly with the 2023 Santa Fe. This is the current look folks are used to seeing around on the road. This is a 5-passenger. Quick inside look. Let's check out the 2024 Santa Fe. This is the 2024 full redesign facelift Santa Fe. This particular model looks a little rugged. It's the XRT edition with the third row seating now available. Comes optional as a bench in the second row or captain seats. Call or text today to book your appointment for a test drive, 902-877-9928.